Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Jesamita, and today's video I'll be talking about building a 3-bedroom penthouse in Nigeria. As you can see, we have the features for this house, which is in the ground floor area. We have the ante room, the lounge, the dining room, the kitchen and store, a 2-bedroom and suite room, the stairway, and the visitors toilet. We also have in the penthouse level, we have the master bedroom, the closet, the cabinetry, the balcony, and the ensuite WC. Here is the building plan for the ground floor level. As you can see, here is the building plan. I hope you can see. We have the 2 bedrooms here. We have a lobby, we have an ante room, we have the kitchen, the dining, the lounge, and also the entrance. You can see the staircase here where it takes you to the penthouse level. So going to the penthouse level here, here's the penthouse level where you have the master bedroom, the closet, the toilet, the cabinetry, and also a balcony where you can sit and relax. So going to the cost of building a penthouse in 2022 in Nigeria, let's get started so we know the cost of materials, and you like to watch this video to the end so that you find out the materials, because most of the prices have gotten up and most of the prices maybe have been slashed. So you want to find out as we get started. And here is the 3D design for this penthouse design. So for the foundation and the DPC, we have 60 lengths of 12 rods, which is at the price of 4,800 now. We have 30 lengths of 8 rods at 2,100 naira. We have 1 roll of binding wire at the price of 12,500. So for start, you need to get 2,000 pieces of blocks at the price range of 280 naira, 600 bags of cement for a start, which will actually take you a bit far in this process. So you get granite 13 tones. You have the sharp sand, which is 15 tons of sharp sand. We have the 8 trips of laterite. So for here, I'll actually say, if you're getting a land, please make sure your land is actually flat, because if your land is not flat and then you have started building, then when it reaches this stage of you filling up the land, you actually spend more, because if it's sloping, you need to fill it up with this laterite so that it becomes level, and you may actually spend double amount of money for the foundation you have already done. So these are advice I'll give to you when trying to get a land for your building. So going forward, we have 30 lengths of wood, 50 pieces of planks. You can see the prices here. 50 pieces of plank is 1,350. You get your 3 bundles of pegs. The pegs are used to mark the land so we can have your building plan. So we have 2 bags of 3-inch nails. a price of 12,500. So as you can see, here's the total 3.8 million for the foundation and DPC of this 3-bedroom penthouse. So going forward, we have the walls. So for the walls here, we have length of 12 rods, length of 8 rods. So I included this exteriors here, so you may not need to get it if you've already gotten it from the first stage of your DPC and foundation. So you have 1,000 pieces of blocks extra to continue the building process. So we have 80 bags of cement at 4,500 naira in my location here. We have 5 trips of chaff sand for 13,000 naira, 2 trips of stone for 40,000 naira, and 30 pieces of plank. So here this is total 825,500 naira for this. So let's go into the decking, because it's the penthouse, so it's going to have a decking because there is a stair going up. So going forward, here is the decking plus the walls. So for here we have 20 length of 16 rods at 6,700. We have 40 length of 12 rods at 3,700. We have 25 length of 8 rods at 1,700. We have 1 roll of binding wire at this price, the 100 pieces of planks. You also have 45 pieces of wood, 30 bags of cement at the price of 4,500. Have 100 pieces of bamboo to help support the decking while doing it. 5 strips of chaff sand for this also. 1 bag of 3-inch nails. You can check the price, 12,500. 1 bag of 2-inch nails, 2 strips of stone, 1,500 pieces of 9-inch blocks if you're using 9 inches or 6 inches. So for this project I decided to use 9-inch blocks. Okay, so here is the total for this penthouse design for the decking and the walls in the penthouse level. So I would like to request that you support my YouTube channel by liking the video, subscribing, sharing the video to your friends and family, because to help support me. And also I would like to appreciate when you do that. Okay, support your boy. Okay, so we have here for the parapet and the concrete fascia, we have 80 lengths of 10 rods for the price of 3,300. We have 40 lengths of 8 rods. We have 1 roll of binding wire, 60 bags of cement, 2 trips of sharp sand, 2 trips of stone, 200 pieces of plank, 350 pieces of wood, 2 bags of 3-inch nails, 1 bag of 2-inch nails. So you can see the prices here. We have the total here, which is 1.2 million. So Here is for the parapet and the concrete fascia. Okay, so going forward for the roofing, so we have 300 pieces of wood, 300 pieces of 2x4 wood, which is at the price of 1000 naira, one bag of 4 inches nails, one bag of 3 inches nails, 400 square meter of stone tiles at 4,000 naira. So you have the stone tiles accessory and the stone tiles installation. So for the total, we have 2.4 million naira for this. So here's the grand total for this. So you can see, after summing it up, I've added a miscellaneous here, which has taken this sum total to 13.3 million naira for this. Okay, so so if you need this PDF, maybe you need to cross check, my number is on the screen, so you can reach me there, and you can also check the description, so you can also reach me there. And in case you also like the estimate, you can also reach me there, and you can also get the PDF from me. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless you.